Hello everyone, you're on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about Google Maps. I'm going to tell you how to make dark mode in Google Maps. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open Google Maps. We currently have light mode enabled. If we want to make dark mode in Google Maps, then tap on profile icon, then select settings, select theme, next select always in dark theme. Close Google Maps and open it again if the map is still light. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments. Like and subscribe to my channel. My dream is to get 100,000 subscribers. Do you think I can do it? Please write in the comments. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.